everybody, and welcome back to the New at Round 2 Product Spotlight for October of 2025. This month, some pretty exciting things to show you guys. 1/64 scale, we've got a new release of Johnny Lightning we're going to go through. For 1/18 scale, 2 new Auto World cars. And then for all the model kit fans, we've got 6 new automotive model kits for this month. So we're going to jump right into it. Start with the 1/64th. So jumping into the Johnny Lightning release, we've got a new Muscle Cars USA release, and this is 6 cars, 2 color variations of each. A lot of times, of course, with Muscle Cars USA, they are muscle car oriented. These have a lot of dealer special cars and some drag racing oriented cars. So starting out, we've got the 1969 Chevy Camaro Z28. First version here in a custom metallic blue with white interior and white striping. We want the drag racing look for this with the beadlock rear wheels. They're with a chrome lip. And then for the second variation, we went with a custom red color, again with the white stripes, white interior, and those same beadlock style wheels. Next up, with the dealer special cars, we've got the Nicky Chicago cars, the 2002 Nicky Chevy Camaro ZL1. First version here is in red with the white Nicky striping down the side of it and the stripe across the top. This is the 427 Nicky Camaro. These were tribute cars. They only did 30 some odd cars for this. Really cool. Had a lot of added performance from Nicky. And then for the second variation, we did this navy blue version here with the white stripes along the side and along the top of that one as well. Chrome wheels. Next up, the 1970 Chevy Nova Yenko Deuce. So the Yenko cars here. These are awesome looking. Of course, got the Yenko stripes going down the side, wrapping around from the trunk there. First version in blue with the white stripe and white line or white letter tires on it. And then the second variation in this gorgeous citrus green color, a super 70s looking green. And we did black for the Yenko striping on this one. Fourth in the release, next up for these are the Mr. Norms cars. So we've done a few Mr. Norms releases here. These are the 1970 Dodge Coronet Super B. So the first version here is in Hemi Orange. Again, with the striping down the side of it there. You've got the color matched wheels with the chrome dog dish and the white line tires. And then for the second variation, Plum Crazy, black vinyl top that we went with on this one. And again, with the color matched wheels and the white letter tires. Then fifth in this release, the Firebird 1986 Pontiac Firebird. The first version here is Pontiac Firebird GTA. This is the King of the Jungle drag car. This is owned by Corey Clemens, so we've replicated his car here, again with the drag style wheels on it, that crazy paint job, all the decals on the back windshield there, and that picture of Corey Clemens' actual GTA. And then for the other version, we've got the black and gold TA Firebird. It's a little more of a stock look with this one. And gold wheels really look great with that. Gold centers. And then lastly, we've got the 1974 Pontiac GTO. First version is in Starlight Black. The red, white, and blue striping down the side. Red interior and white letter tires on that one. And for the second variation, Regatta Blue, an awesome color here. And white interior on that, again, with the striping package and the white letter tires. So that's everything we've got for 1/64 scale for the Johnny Lightning Muscle Cars release. Next, we're going to show you guys 1/18. So for the 1/18 scale, we got 2 cars to show you guys, starting off with the 1968 Olds 442 W30 Holiday Coupe. This is a very unique Olds. This was actually a Hemmings Motor News cover car that was featured on the cover of July 2023. This particular one was based on a restored car with a very rare option of teal frost with red 442 striping. It has red line tires as well, black interior and black vinyl top. And of course, opening doors and hood, detailed engine, steerable front wheels, accurate chassis, which you can see here underneath. And we've got the story about this car in Hemmings, and you can see what cover it was on. and a bit about Fred Mandrick, who is the owner. Some of the history of this car, very low mile olds, and one that we're really excited to replicate and bring out for you guys. And then next for 1/18 scale in our Mecum releases, this is the 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge in Carousel Red. This is a unique car that was sold at Kissimmee for Mecum. It's a 4-speed car. Has the rally gauge package on the hood there. Of course, the striping along the side, black interior, and opening doors and hood, detailed engine, detailed chassis, and a little bit of information on the back about this car at Kissimmee of 2023 for Mecum. That's everything we've got for the 1/18 scale. So next we're going to show you guys all the model kits. So jumping into the model kits, I mentioned we have 6 automotive kits for you guys. We're going to start off with a flashback to the 90s. This is next in the series of our 90s kits, the 1991 Chevy Beretta GTZ. Great looking release here. This is a box art by Ethan at 8380 Labs. Again, to go with the look of all these 90s kits that we're bringing out. This one has not been brought out since 91. It has a lot of cool features in this kit, including the 2.3 liter quad 4 engine. It's got the detailed interior, the aluminum GTZ wheels included in it. You can see here plenty of water slide decal options, so you can do a couple different striping packages. It's even got the Heartbeat of America Chevy decals on there, which are great for any of your 90s Chevy kits. And then a look here at that parts tree on the back, about 145 parts in this kit, but pretty easy build to put together. Another one, more for the vintage modelers, coming back is the AMT Long Nose Mustang kit. This is the Russ Davis or Gas Ronda funny car, long wheelbase, super long nose on this kit. You can see by the box art there where we went with that vintage original packaging for this. We've got 2 different color choices for the windows, pre-lettered drag slicks, and then a remastered decal sheet. You can see, look here at that tubular chassis with that supercharged Ford 427 motor, fuel injection. You got vinyl tires, Goodyear hollow slicks, the bullet fuel tanks, mag wheels, and then again just kind of a look at how the body fits there. That super long front end fits on that tubular chassis. There's a look at that parts tree on the back and that remastered decal sheet, about 112 parts in this kit. Sticking with the racing style kits and some of the vintage kits, this is the 71 Mercury Cyclone stock car coming back, a MPC kit here. Great looking new box art on this one with a real vintage style feel to it. A lot of cool features within this stock car kit. So you've got the motor, the 429 motor, of course the roll cage and the whole tubular frame with the stock car bucket seats. You got the Goodyear tires, the fire extinguisher, everything that you need to build it out in stock car style. Another look there at a cutaway look for this car with the roll cage. And then a look here at the parts tree, about 135 parts in this kit. Next up for MPC, we've got another one with some pretty cool aftermarket options. This is the Charger Street Machine coming back. Stuck with this vintage style packaging, which really looks cool. That throwback MPC packaging. It's got pad printed Goodyear tires on it. We've expanded the decal sheet to include more options here. You can see some of the different graphics packages that were included. That supercharged 426 Hemi, a couple different custom hood options, detailed chassis, wide racing tires. This kit is molded in white. And again, a look at the actual size there. There's actually 2 engine options here in this kit. And then you can see that parts tree on the back with a lot of those optional parts included. 102 parts in this one. Next up for MPC, we have a couple of Coca-Cola kits that are coming. This is the Snap Kit, the Coca-Cola Chevy K5 Blazer Snap Kit. This one, great looking box art. Jeff Allison here worked on the illustration for this. We went with the outdoor graphics for Coke to make a really cool decal sheet. This is molded in 3 colors, so very easy to snap together. Again, no paint needed, no glue needed. There's a look at all those cool Coca-Cola options for the decals, and you've got kind of these really nice throwback. You could really get this decal sheet and do several different Coca-Cola builds out of it. Again, this got chrome-plated wheels on this, and easy snap together assembly. There's another look at the side here. Those Goodyear tires, and then there's that parts tree on the back. Again, as a snap kit, really easy build, low parts count, a great starter kit. Only about 36 parts in this one. And then lastly for the models, one more Coca-Cola truck for you guys. Again, a great looking box art for this one, and box art package was also done by Jeff for this. This is the Racer's Wedge 1972 Chevy pickup. This is a 2-in-1 kit, so you can actually build it as this Racer's Wedge version, or you can build a fully stock fleet side 72 pickup. This one is a companion to the Willis Gasser that we did, the Coca-Cola Willis Gasser. So you can actually build up the Wedge truck and then build up the Gasser, put it on there. Being the Wedge truck, it's got a lot of really cool options and features that come with it, like jack stands, tools, jack, gas can, fire extinguisher, toolbox, the wedge doors, functional wedge doors on the side there. Of course, there's the detailed interior, the custom 350 engine. A look here at kind of how the stock fleet side version builds out. And again, a very large Coca-Cola decal sheet, so you could get multiple builds out of that decal sheet. And then a look there at the parts tree on the back of this one. About 148 parts included in this kit. So that's everything that we've got for model kits. 118 scale and 164 scale die cast for this month. We got a lot more exciting stuff coming up, so stay tuned. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We'll see you in November.